Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kumar and I am excited to present my project titled Quizzy. Quizzy is an online quiz platform developed as part of the Diploma Level in Programming and Data Science from IIT Madras. I secured S grade for this project. I built Quizzy using Python and Flask for backend, SQLite as database, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap for front-end design. The platform follows an MVC architecture. Model handles database interactions. Views are the HTML templates rendering using Jinja 2. And controller are defined in Flask rods. I used ORM queries to interact with the database efficiently. So let's take a quick walkthrough of the app. So now this is my code or my VS code where the all codes are available. Now let I am running this. So Flask. Okay. So this app running locally on my system. So if I open this, so yeah, so this is running locally. I hosted my site on Render too, so you can also watch this. So I show you on my site on render.com. So this is the home page of my site. Yeah. So this is the home page. Now I register myself. I'm register myself as a student. So let's take email. So okay, full name and date of birth. I select my date of birth and diploma level, password, confirm password. Now register. Okay, registration successfully. Now I am logging with same credentials. So ANKIT Kumar @gmail.com. Password. Now, if I'm not remembering my password, then I forget my password too. So now I'm logging. So yeah, this is my dashboard, and here I can see all the quizzes. This is the score section where my scores are visible. This is the summary section where I am see the graph of my attempted quiz scores. This is the profile section where I can update myself and forget password too. Now, uh, this quiz is expired because the due date was 17th for 2025. Now I log in as admin. So I log out from here and log in as admin. So admin and okay. So this is my admin dashboard, and I also created a quiz, but the due date was 17th April. So edit this one and now make it available. So let's 26th of April update quiz. Okay, so this quiz now updated, and now if I log in as a student, then I can attempt my quiz. So let's open this, log in as a student. Okay, okay, and password, now login. My bad. uh Login. Yes, so yeah, this is my student dashboard page. Now I can start quiz. So here is the timer, and here is the quiz details. Now the question is here, and the options. This is MCQ questions. So the SI unit for electric chair. Let's stamp this. So coulombs, let's say, repel, let's say, attempt, not like this. Okay, so randomly I select any options. Okay, yeah, so my score 9 out of 15. Okay, so I can see my score on a score section. So here the my score is 9 out of 15 total marks, and total questions 10. If I click on view, then here all the information of my quiz 1, and the correct answer, my answer, and the marks for this question, and all the questions and options available here. If I want to print, then I also print this page. Okay, now if I click on summary section, so this is the graph. Now I scored 60 percentage in this quiz 1, and if I want to update myself, then I move on profile section. Okay, if I want to search any quizzes or the subjects, then I can also search. So let's if I search PHY physics, so yeah, quiz 1, that is physics subject and chapter this. If I attempt this, then shows attempted, and if I click here, then I view the attempts. Okay, uh, now I show you the admin section. So yeah, I log in as admin section. So this is the admin section, and admin can create subjects and chapters inside a subject, and questions inside a chapter. Okay, so if I want to add chapter subject, then click on add, and so on. Okay, and if I want to create a quiz, then click on create new quiz, and here we can create. Okay, and in the summary section, now I can see the users who attempt the quiz, or who not attempt the quiz. So three users attempt the quiz, who, so RDR this, and score, they score. Okay, now here I can see who not attempt the quiz. So 0 users not attempt the quiz. And now here in the user button, if I click here, then I can see the total all users and details, and I also remove the student from here. Now back to dashboard, and this is all from my side. Thank you so much. Quizzy was an amazing learning experience, and I excited to keep building and improving. Thank you so much.